Welkom terug almal. Vandag gaan ons 'n bietjie leer oor homonieme. Homonieme is woorde wat presies dieselfde klink en dieselfde gespel word, maar dit verskil in betekenis. Homonyms are words that are spelled exactly the same. They also sound the same, but the meaning is different. Here are a few examples. Kom ons kyk na 'n paar voorbeelde. Krab. It can mean scratch or a crab. Box. It can mean boxing or a box. Leer. It is leather or a ladder. But remember, it can also mean to learn something. Palm. It can be a palm tree or the palm of your hand. Vork. It can mean the fork that you eat with or the road that's splitting. Noot. It can be a banknote or a music note. Vlieg. It can be an insect or to fly. Glas. It can mean something made from glass or a glass to drink from. Meer. This can mean more or a lake. Bak. This can mean a bowl or to bake something. Rice. It can mean rice that we eat or the dough that rises. Trek. It can mean to move or to pull something. Vier. That can mean the number 4 or to celebrate something. Kaart. It can mean a playing card or a map. Maat. It can mean a friend or measurement. Dankie dat julle so mooi saamgewerk het, maats. Thank you for watching this video. Volgende keer gaan ons nog Afrikaans leer. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, tot volgende keer, maats. Totsiens.